Hey Venture Famers, it's your boy Brandon, just here to give you a quick tutorial on how to get up on the Wakeskate. Let's get started with wakeskating, eh? That there's a wakeskate. It's pretty much a wakeboard without bindings or a skateboard on water. So when you're starting off wakeskating, it's always good to be relaxed. Oh, it's cold, just so you know, like really cold. So when you start off on the wakeskate, you want to be lying down in the water with your feet spread comfortably apart and fully relaxed in the water. And then as the boat starts to take up slack, you'll feel the board flip up onto your feet. You're going to bend your knees into the board and have straight arms.
Hi Venture Famers, we're about to take off with Brandon on the Wakeskate. It's important to always have a spotter, which Peter's doing. Keep in close contact with the rider. Good to go?
Go.
Pop him out of the water and then back it off. You need to fall in the circuit because there's other boats on the water. And at the moment they're running in an anti-clockwise motion.